Home Depot offers the VMI program. The VMI stands for Vendor Managed Inventory, Lightfoot Meta Criteria. Currently, there's only about 100 companies here in the U.S. that meet that criteria. What we do is if a customer is approved for this program, we come in, we take over their warehouse, we bring in all of our own racking. This program will save their guys time where before they were having to get their jobs here at the office and then rolling out to a parts warehouse, grabbing parts, going out to their first job. If they needed something else, we're going back to the parts department, or if they finish that job, going to the next one and then having to possibly go back. With this program, they get their job here at the office and Lightfoot techs come over to our side in our warehouse. We provide them all the parts that they need for their jobs and even for their future jobs, that they're dispatched on for the day. They're not having to leave the customer at any point in time.